Hello, good morning students. Children, you must be enjoying going to different places, maybe the mountains or a sea beach or maybe to the jungle or maybe other historical places. In this way, this is an adventure. We all like adventure. We want to find new things, explore something new. In this way, in ancient times too, people or the explorers, they set out on a voyage. Voyage means they went out in their ships, finding out different places, because at that time the communication or our technology was not so developed, so we did not come very close to each other, or some places were unknown to the people. So they wanted to find something new, explore, and that is the new chapter, the age of exploration. Exploration, finding out or setting out to find something new. Okay. During the mid-15th and 16th century, we are talking about the whole world, many Europeans, people from Europe, explorers set out to find a sea route to east. Trade with Asia was important for the Europeans for their cloth and spices. Now I will talk to you that at that time in Asia, especially in India and China, the Europeans were attracted and they had heard a lot about our spices, our precious stones, pearls, and China was also famous for the silk cloth. So these Europeans, the great rulers of England, then in France or maybe Portugal or maybe Holland, okay, or even the Greek rulers or the Italian rulers, they used to send people. The kings and the queens did not come. They sent their men and they used to set out on voyage, and they used to be given the support by the king or the queens, because they need ships, they need men to go around, because they are exploring something new, and they were scared also, no? At that time people thought that the world is flat and they will travel and they will fall down from the earth. That you remember when we talked about Magdalene. Now see children, these some of them were daring and they loved adventure, and they set out to explore new land, new places, new people. So that age means our 16th and maybe you can call that the late 15th to 16th century is known as the age of exploration. Different people, famous people set out for voyage, and especially in the European land, and that is from Spain, Portugal and Holland, these places. And they wanted to come to India and China, especially these Asian countries. Why? Because they had heard about the Indian spices, Indian pearl, precious stones. These are the things India was famous for. India was famous for spices, for pearls, for tusk. Elephant tusk is very precious, very expensive. So tusk, spices were used for not only for cooking, for making medicines also. Okay. Now even now also, if you go to southern part of India, you will find different spice gardens where different type of spices are grown. Diamonds were found, pearls were found, precious stones. I'm talking about herbal, Ayurvedic thing, medicines which we call. These were taken by the explorers, taken by those people who used to come for trade, business, and sell it to the European countries, the rulers. Okay. But what happened, children? The Arabs means the people living in the western part, central and western part of Asia, were actually capturing the route from Europe to Asia. Arabs were the first people who came to India for trade, and they had captured, and they found that it is very lucrative, because a lot of good things were found in these countries, and especially in India, and they can be sold at a high price. So they were controlling the land route. So the Europeans had to find some alternative route. They started searching, exploring for the sea route, which led to a lot of exploration at that time, which we are going to discuss in the coming modules. If you see the map of the world, actually this subcontinent of Indian subcontinent at that time together, even China was a place where the Europeans wanted to come for trade. And the Europeans had to come to this place, but they could not come because Arabs were controlling the land route. So they took the alternative routes, and from Atlantic Ocean towards Africa, and then they reached India or other parts of Asia. So there they explored the sea route to India and Asia, and that is what we are going to study, because the Arabs controlled the land route, so they had to discover sea route to trade with India. So this is why this age is called the age of exploration. Thank you.